Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire. Believe it or not, I advertise every day, and every day I surf. And I join a ton of traffic programs because I'm interested in traffic to my website. And we're averaging about 1,400 hits, unique hits per day. And we're getting subscribers and signups every day. So that's the key. Well, I'm surfing on this new site that actually pays you money, and it has a great surf ratio, 1-to-1. And by the looks of it, I just signed up this morning. There's 12,352 members. Okay. Well, I'm surfing and I ran across this. Well, I'm a member of Cash In on Banners, and I just made a very nice funnel for that. But this caught my attention. Banner ads that pay. Now, I don't know if it's any good or not, but advertise your banner here free while earning real cash commissions day in, day out. Seen by thousands every day. So sign up right now. Get your banner seen within 10 minutes. Okay, so I really like this. So I right-clicked and said, open a new tab. And I went over and joined this. And I'm going to show you how I stay organized. I'll write down the name of it. Okay, over in TextPad or Notepad. I use TextPad. I start a file. This one's going to be banner ads that pay. I wrote down my referral. It says over here, Gilbert Bird. I don't know him. But he showed me this first, and he's over here on Extreme Surf advertising it. So it really caught my attention. It's a good looking site, and I like stuff that pays. So anyway, I start a file over here. I wrote down some pertinent information. Looks like it's been around since 2012. So I put the title up here, my sponsor. I'll put the owner when I figure out who that is. And then I'll put banners and text ads and so forth. I'll list them here. My username and password. I've been using that for everything. Password I'll put in later. Okay, then I take this, the name of the program, I copy it, Control C, and I'll go File, Save As. And I have all my programs. See, I just joined this a few minutes ago. And I have all my programs and files that are important under a file name called important. So they're all here. And you can see how many I have. So your brain can't remember all this stuff. Just everything. Okay, so what I do to keep organized, I start a new folder and I name it the program. Then I open the folder, there's nothing in it, and I create a file called the name of the program -info. And it has everything I need for that program. Okay, so now I'm going to go over and join it. And I use Google to remember my password. And I also use LastPass. Okay, thanks. Check your welcome email. Carefully read this email, then log into your members area. Bonus 1, special VP bonus, VIP bonus, discount for see, I use LastPass also. And the last time I checked, I had over 900 passwords. So you got to have a way to LastPass.com. Okay, I'm in my inbox. Welcome to Banner Ads at Pay. Important welcome message. So let's go here. Okay, there's the owner. So I just copy this and I add it to my information file. And I put the date that I joined, 3/15. Ooh, the Ides of March. Beware the Ides of March. Okay, then it has the support emails there. I just cut out all this garbage. My login. There's where you log in. There's my referral link. Okay, so I'll put that up here in the top. So I have it handy. And there's the owner. It says I can log in here. So it looks like I'm number 9,229. That's pretty good. How would you like 9,000 people in your business? Now they're probably going to do a one-time offer. Okay, there's my login. Now I also save all my programs in bookmarks. So I have my programs here. All right, but let's get in there first. Okay, thanks for joining. Special offer for new members. This is your chance to secure your lifetime gold upgrade plus 100,000 bonus banner impressions. There's the owner. You're a silver member free at the moment, and you'll get 250 banner impressions per month and 20% commissions, but you could get much more if you take action. $67. Okay, that's more than I want to spend, not knowing anything, but I'm going to say no thanks. Now that's a lifetime. So that's probably a good deal, but I don't know anything yet. So what I'm going to do, instead of saying no, I'm going to say no, but I'm going to right click and continue in a new tab. And that'll save this page in case I decide to go back and do it. Okay, because sometimes they'll lower the price. How about for a year? $47. Well, geez, for another 20, I might as well go lifetime. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to leave that open in case I want to do it. I really thought that was a bargain. Okay, he's going to hit me again. How about monthly? Then I can test it out for a month for $7. I'll get 50% commission, 10,000 banner impressions. You know, I could try that for a month. Now, he uses PayPal too. Okay, so let's see, last chance. Okay, so I'm a free member. I can add one banner and 20% commission. Gold members earn 50. Use promo code WELCOME to claim $1,000. So you want to remember that. Okay, and the step-by-step instructions. Add your banners immediately, edit your profile, add your PayPal button, grab your referral link, downline builder, referrals, commissions, buy more impressions, assign your banner impressions. You can see some of the people that are advertising on here. Okay, I'm going to join free because I don't know anything about it. And if it's good, I'll make a funnel for this over in AIOP. So we're going to just stay free, claim a promo code. Okay, that's where you put that welcome in there. So that'll give me 1,000 to test it out. Promo tools, what I'm going to do is grab a banner. Okay, they got splash pages, emails to send. Beautiful little banners. This will go into the vault. But I'll grab the 468 size, put it over in my info file. What I do here, I'll put in like an index, banners. So down here, banners, and I got 468. That's that one. And then I'll grab a 125 one, and that's 125. Let's see what else I got. Well, those are cool too. I like the colorful ones. So see, they got a lot of resources here. This would make a nice splash page, but they offer splash pages. So I could send a tweet out right now. I make 25% commission. But let's just check one of their splash pages here. Pretty nice. So you could promote these splash pages on other traffic exchanges. Get your banner seen everywhere while earning up to 50% commission. So I might like that gold membership. Okay, the other way I organize things is using bookmarks. Like I'll add it to my programs here. And if it's something I do every day, like a traffic exchange or something, I'll add it to my daily method of operation, my DMO. If it's something I'm going to do daily, right now I have set up 4 folders. This is Surf 1. I do Traffic G, Traffic Ad Bar, Paragon Mailer. I do these in a group, Traffic Exchange Results. And I'll surf these together because they have similar timers. And in my surf group 2, Worldwide Traffic Exchange, Surfer Quality. This is a paid one. I love this one. Just good traffic. And then this is a mailer, but it reminds me to mail that every day. So only 3 here. They have shorter timers. And then this one's Hungry for Hits. The reason I only have 1 in here is after you go there, if they have a commando surf, it'll automatically open 4 or 5 other sites. So I start with this one. And this is where I keep my rotators. So I can advertise all these things on all these other traffic exchanges and set everything up in a rotator in Hungry for Hits. So I'll have these resources that are in this video in the links below. So if I pay $7 now, I could push this for a month, add 5 banners, get 10,000 banner impressions every month. Pretty cool. But see, if I pay $7 times 12, what's that? See, that's $84 for just a year. So the annual upgrade looking better. See, there's a smart kid. Okay, well, the purpose of this video was to show how I organized. I'll decide on this later. I hope you enjoyed this little short video. I'll see you in the next one.